I was pleasantly surprised to find that the actual procedure, I think it was just under an hour, and although I brought a friend with me to drive me home, actually I could have walked out of here and I could have driven home and it would not have been a problem. And I really was surprised at how quickly everything healed and my legs were good to go.
I think the most uncomfortable was when the laser was being pulled out. The needles, a few of the needles, there were a little few needles that I kind of was expecting, especially up in the groin area. But again, it was something that I knew had to be done, and it was just something that I, was okay with.
Uncomfortable part of the procedure probably was the initial preparation of the site for the laser probe, because they do have to put in a sheath in order to access my vessel. But the rest was tolerable.
When the freezing wore off, I was shocked to find, because I am a wimp about pain, and I was shocked to find that it was absolutely tolerable. A couple of Advil first day or two and that was it.
Before the procedure I had restless leg. That was most of my biggest problem, was my legs would be very tired, especially this left leg at nighttime, and there'd be times it'd be very restless. I just couldn't get comfortable with it. Not so much swelling, but itchiness and itchiness. Had a lot of that as well. So that definitely has gone, yes.
I chose Valley Aesthetics because they're in essence in the same office building as where I work, and easy access for me, but very approachable staff, and they were able to answer all my questions, because I've been thinking about this procedure probably for about 6 months and have been doing my own research and did have a lot of questions, and they were all answered, and there certainly is a handout that you can take home and read, and certainly put my mind at ease.
It's been a year since I had the procedure done, and I find that traveling, walking, just even resting, that my left leg, which used to give me a lot of trouble, absolutely trouble-free at the moment.
I've had people ask me about the procedure. I've just explained on what they can expect, and that things definitely will change in time, and just be patient.
Well, I would definitely consider, if my other leg were to be an issue, I would definitely have an EVLT as opposed to going to the OR.
I think both cosmetically and health-wise, find a good vascular surgeon like Dr. Davidson and listen to what he has to tell you.